Hold on a second. Hello. 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 Hello word from Hello World. This is Mono. I'm only visible to the people who have like kind and good and yeah. I forgot to turn it on. Hello. Hello. Now I feel pressure. I didn't prepare anything. I didn't prepare anything. Hello. Okay, so finally, after forever, I would like to finish this game. Finish making this game. Take it slow and steady and wins the race. Hello. Grand finale. Yes, yeah. Where is my Unity? Here it is. So yeah, yesterday I almost finished everything. And then at the very last moment I couldn't make an APK. I couldn't build it. And yeah, then afterwards I was looking for what was the problem, what the problem was, and then the problem was actually, I don't know what the problem is, but I solved it by changing the minimum target SDK. Hi again. Hello. Hello, welcome. Oh yeah, she's finally going to finish this time. Yes, I'm really good. So as I wrote, let me see what I wrote, because I don't remember what I wrote in my community. Oh, I solved the last minute problem I had at the end of the stream today. Hey, this one. Yay! Almost. Check AdMob. So AdMob is proved. So I got the permission. But when I registered my device as a test device. When I checked it for the last time, I didn't see that. Did I do something wrong, or let me build once more and then see if something happens. So the Google AdMob is proved, so now I can use the account. And let's see. Okay, that was what I wrote. Build file, tested, and then I had few problems. So I solved the last minute problem I had at the end of the stream today. It was solved when I changed the target, build target APK to APK, SDK to SDK to 24 or higher. Oh, where is this APK come from? SDK. Or yeah. Target Android SDK. That was what I wanted to say. Thinking on what? Yeah, oh, I cannot really test on. Okay. Huh? Can I set my emulator as a test device? I can just download via Google Drive. I will check it with my phone. Yes, so that was okay. Target build APK. And I've set up the AdMob and tested the build in phone, and then I got the permission where like, yeah, AdMob is approved. Yeah. My language. Okay, I'm doing multiple things at the same time. I want to find Google Drive, and I'm having always difficulty remembering it. So let me install into my phone, and then I realize I cannot really connect my phone to my PC because it is already connected with my iPad. I maybe have another cable somewhere, but I don't have it right at the moment. Yeah, so Google AdMob is now, so the review is finished. I can use it, and I set up all those like keys, and I also put my device as a test device, but I still don't see the ad. Why? And you know what the sad thing is? I recently removed the Android Studio. Let me install Android Studio once more. Yeah, I think there could be some problem with the setting up the key, or what? There's no other reason, right? So I guess, yeah, I should check setting up the key. I wouldn't do that right now. So right now, what I need to do before I celebrate everything, before I celebrate after 7 months and 17 days. It's almost over. Before it is finished. So I built the APK file and I tested, and then I found some minor bugs. Not that important. But I wanted to fix it. So, release to the Google Play Store. I wouldn't do that during the stream. But I would make the thumbnail. Okay, so test the Google Ad Mob. I think I need to also do that after the stream. So I need to add the thumbnail image. So, and another issue is when the winning pop-up appears for the first time, the animation doesn't work. I don't know why, but only in my build. If I'm not wrong, Google Store no longer takes APK files. They use App Bundle? What is that? Hey. Let me check. It's just a checkbox on Unity settings. Build setting, build app bundle. That's simple. That's simple. Where's build setting? Build setting. Oh. Build app bundle. Okay, I will Google. I don't know where exactly I have to. Build your application for Android. Build settings. List the platform, select Android. Disable export project. I did. Build and run. What? What? Build app bundle. Okay. Okay, why couldn't I see it? Okay. Now I can see it. Yay. Now I finally can read some letters. Okay, I learned one thing. Yay. What else is there? Okay, so I need to make need to make a thumbnail? I also need to prepare some screenshots, huh? I feel like I don't want to work on it. Can I skip the developing part and then just like celebrate without finishing it? Probably no, huh? Oh my god! I have to work! Thumbnail image is 502 times. Okay, let's make a random thumbnail image, and if I don't like it, then make another. So what kind of image do I want to have for my thumbnail? I'm pretty much sure it's my duckling. Even though, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of fake. I wouldn't have my duckling for my entire for the beginning of the app, right? But I still want my duckling because they are dogs. They are cute. I need them. Okay, let's move the screen, and then I want to make a screenshot of the yellow ducks. Let's move it here, just for the screenshot. And I wonder how big it should be. A very simple random screenshot. Okay. I'll need that. But let's put it there for the moment. So, oh, maybe I should fake it. Hey. I want 4 ducks. Everybody wants 4 ducks, right? Who wouldn't want gift cutout. Yes. Because ducklings are more important. Ducks more than gift. Yes. Because... Because ducks could be gift, but gift couldn't be duck. Gift could be duck. But yeah. Cute. Already perfect thumbnail. Thank you for advice. Some AI Polyhive is very helpful to me. You're welcome. I'm glad that you found it useful. Yay, final. Yeah, I hope there will be no final. If that happens, I would be sad. Ah, no! I don't need any present. I don't think Santa Claus exists. Ah! Isn't that already perfect? I think this is perfect. Is it in the same position? Now? Yes, they are in the same position. Pretty sure you can drag down a ruler in the Photoshop, but I tried that before, but I can do that by where is it? Yeah, I could do that, but I had no idea how to set that in the exact position that I want. So I just gave up. Hello, welcome. Hello. But yeah, they are nice duckies, so I think they will be nice enough for me. Okay. Oh yeah. They would be kind. They wouldn't really torture me or something. But I think somewhere there is fine. Something like that. Maybe I need ruler. Whatever. Whatever. If I could use the Photoshop without any problem. I don't have to be a programmer, huh? Isn't that like that? How low it should be? Okay, can I just do it randomly? Something like that. Okay, all of them are random. and I'm pretty much sure you cannot see anything if the icon is this size. Should I change it? Sad. I realize I cannot see anything. Okay. Okay, I need different image. Duggies, you're out. I'm afraid to say that, but you guys are out. Okay, present? What about present? That would be cool, right? Simple, cute, or cat. Present or cat? I think cat is better. Maybe present is better? Cat though. Everyone loves cats. Okay, then cat. I need a giant cat. So I would keep my duck. Because they are dogs. Should keep it. Okay, let's add some cats. Why does it why does it feel like releasing or life is tough? Okay. If I cannot finish today, I will do the after party anyway. Sounds reasonable, right? think it is reasonable. You're so silly. Okay. That's cheating. Huh? Huh? But it is finished anyway, I guess. No? What about that? Okay. Okay, I cannot distinguish, but I think it's okay. Yeah. I think it's okay. Cheating? Once you push it up for review, it's considered complete. What? Then I cannot do it today. I'm not gonna do that on the stream anyway, so... This is why I'm not a designer. Okay, perfect. I'm in Satuzaka family. In Satuzaka family. The first one in Satuzaka family. So she's my mama who drew this model. And the first one, she's a designer. She's doing everything quite well. She was originally a UI designer, I guess? I have no idea. And then nowadays she's doing thumbnails and so on. And like, every time I make some kind of graphical asset, I feel like, what did she say if she sees it? Okay, perfect, right? I cannot make it better. Well, maybe I can, but... but let's say I can't. Oh, that's cute! Cute! I like that. Even though I'm not really sure whether it's... I don't know if the black icon is okay, because I don't want to fix it. Okay, so that was my thumbnail. Okay. I would export it and save it somewhere. I have no idea where. Okay, that was perfect. Whatever. And the thumbnail image, yay! The Google Ad Mob. Should I test the Google Ad Mob? I mean, I will do the Google Play Store thing after the stream anyway. I also need to prepare for the key feature release. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. You can do it, Mono. You can. You can. Yes, you can. Maybe it should be a little bit smaller. Because I feel like I have feeling some part is cropped out. Yeah, I think that's right. When I press the submitting button, that would be considered as a done. Yay! So I made the thumbnail. But I wrote it here. I will fix those minor problems and work on tests, then we do the after party. Okay, so this one I had problem on my phone. When the winning pop-up appears for the first time, animation doesn't move at all actually. So let's see. So when I see it, those part, the upper part worked fine, but this part didn't move at all. And I think that's weird. And now I feel like those feeling, it shouldn't be the steps. Is it the step? I should check it. Or save the progress. I was wondering if I turn off the app, then the progress gets lost. I think so. Oh, no it doesn't. What? I think about that? Okay. Yeah, the previous Mona is quite smart, huh? Okay, so this one I have no idea why it is happening. On the other hand, I know why this is happening, so let's solve this problem first. So when I move the items fast enough, so the previous animation, so let's say I cannot do that in here because so if I can I do that? I'm not fast enough. So before this is finished, I do this and then they move a little bit weird. I mean, it's only animation, it doesn't really affect the gameplay or something. But yeah, I wanted to fix it. but I cannot click fast enough here. Yes. It should be 50-50. You should try to play on the phone and check if errors occur. Yeah, that was what I checked on my phone yesterday after I finally succeed making the build. Those are what I found. Yeah, I mean, those two were the minor. Did it log any errors? That's the problem. I actually uninstalled Android Studio a few days ago. And I don't have Android Studio anymore. So I downloaded it again. I will install it right now. Right. The thing was that I had no space at all in my C drive. I mean, those are minor problems. And the ads also doesn't appear. Time for an upgrade, maybe. I mean, I have enough storage on my D drive because I bought 500 gigabyte C drive for SSD, and then I thought like, okay, maybe I would get another hard disk soon, and then that soon didn't happen. So it took like 3 years or something to actually get a D drive. And somebody sold it to me because like yeah, one colleague in the hall, he said he doesn't need it. He bought it for the server but doesn't need it. So now I suddenly have 4 gigabyte of HDD for my D drive. I cannot run Android Studio anyway. I mean, I don't have extra cable. The only cable I have is now used for my iPad. Okay, so let's do this Android Studio part later. HDD is slow. Yeah, well, we can wait that much of time in our life. Are you rich or something? Yeah, maybe I should get another SSD. Or just remove all the games that I don't play. I feel like I have few gigabytes of Sims somewhere. I just installed it and then never played it. I usually use HDD for storage, huh? Android Studio is quite cute now. It's giraffe. Okay, so let's fix the animation, but I don't know how. Files I no longer use for years, just kept somewhere in HDD, only for it to die sometime in the future. Die? Eh. Well, HDD lifespan is only 5 years plus or so. And I should keep all my... I'm thinking, is there anything that I shouldn't lose? Maybe pictures that I took. I should keep that, yeah. Other than that, I think everything is fine to be lost. I don't care about, I don't know, anything else. There could be some writings, there could be some homeworks. Who care about them? But pictures I don't want to lose, even though I would never gonna look at them. Yeah, so one day I should put everything into the Google Drive or something, right? I don't know. Or maybe I can just get rid of everything and... I also heard that the lifespan for the DVD is like 20 years or something, so... I'm pretty much sure some of the DVD I bought is dead. When the DVD started to appear on the market. That was forever ago. So I don't know how to properly use this. Add beaker, expand additional beaker, is beaker selectable, win stage. Choose lift animation. I know nothing about those twin. Sequence kill. Oh, I think. Uh-huh. Eh? 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 So I think if I this isn't a sequence. Kill or they have kill. Oh, can I do that? Oh. Hey. It's a twin. If you want to kill it, just use twin kill. Twin kill. E? Mm-hmm. Eh? Yeah, I think this is the proper way. I think so. This is moving one. The cancelled one should be also. Oh, that was cancelled one. Lift one. yeah, I think that should work. Eh. Yeah, let's test it. Probably. Can I also install those AAV file in my Android? Let's see. Okay, so better make a APK, I guess, for testing. It has been 1 hour. Can I do the after party? I don't think so. Can I know I'll do that no matter what. And then we do the true party after the app is on the market, right? So we have the second chance. So we will have the second party. This is the party. Hello, chat. Hello, up here. Party? Yeah, party. Yay! Party. Everybody wants party. What happened to my chat there? Hello? 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 Hello again. Oh, everything is super slow. Eh? I can see the ghost. I can only see the ghost. I think everything is slow when I try to build. Okay. Or maybe I can turn off some Chrome tabs. Okay. Okay, I have fewer Chrome tabs now. Yeah. Ew. Tombstone? Is that for me? Is that my tombstone? On the upper ward? Oh, I guess this could be solved. I hope so. Let's delete and then test. When the winning pop-up appears for the first time, animation doesn't play smoothly. I really have no idea. But I can open the script and then see what is the matter with the code. Because it doesn't work on the first time. And I also need to get rid of those made with Unity logo. It's so weird. Now it got even more weird. I shouldn't cancel it. Since I cancelled it in between? Okay, so I think I shouldn't cancel everything, but I only need to cancel the lifting. I think everything else should be stayed the same. I shouldn't kill this one. And I shouldn't kill this. Huh? Can I forget about that? Can I just reduce those animation playtime? Then everything would be fine, right? I mean, the problem will be the same. The problem will be the same, but it's less likely to appear, right? Don't look at me. Okay, that was horrible. Let's see how it. Why are you looking at me like that? I don't know. Well, there should be some proper way to fix it, but yeah, then I cannot finish everything today. And it's a minor, tiny bit of the bug, even though it will make my app look unfinished. Oh, this is that's too fast. That's obviously too fast. I don't know what I'm doing. I like that. I like the slow effect. I think it's fine. Okay, when the winning pop-up appears, Is there any issues with timing or something? Oh, I also need to change the app icon. Icon. Oh, I need to. Applying all those kitties. I can basically have different icons for the different resolution, huh? But if it has some kind of approaching image or something coming to you. Could be fun. Okay, let's just add it everywhere. Whatever, I think it's fine. It's okay, it's enough. And I don't need this anymore. That was my temp thumbnail. And build once more. And let's fix this the winning pop-up. I don't know. In general, the twin doesn't look that great. I don't know why. It doesn't look that smooth. Yeah, I think I need to check the frames and so on. But then there cannot be a after party, right? So why can't I just submit the app and then fix it later? Like, finishing is important, right? Polishing is important, but less important than... I don't know, I also feel like nowadays making games are like just releasing with bunch of bugs and then fix it and then give bunch of patches. So like it's like stable after a few months or something. But I like those old times when yeah, just publish it first. Yay! I got the permission. I like those like old times. It is not possible to have patch or something after the game is released unless you brought your devices to somewhere, I guess. I have no idea. I mean, realistically speaking, you're not gonna be able to have it be in a bug-free state on release all the time. That's also true. Does that mean that I can just skip all the part and then just do the after party? Just claim that I finished everything. And then just say, hooray. Okay, let's fix that. If I can. If I cannot, then I just will give up. Don't ask me why. Yeah. Still has the problem. If it has the problem anyway, I think the previous one looked better. Why? Why on? Why on? But what the problem though? When I press the buttons, so basically the beakers, very fast. Before the animation is finished, it just moves weirdly. So here I cannot. Because with the mouse I cannot really press fast enough. But if I press this and then let's say if I press this and then press that, and then it should do this movement and then this movement and then this movement. But instead it just like feels weird, something like moving too weird. Yeah. So it doesn't do whatever. I think it's okay. I need to learn how to use twins. What? I see. You can just stop accepting input while in animation. Then I want to play it as fast as possible, right? I don't want to block the input because it would slow down. Fix that bug, then you can have your after party. But can I call it? Would you call it bug? Would you call it bug when it doesn't really doesn't really disturb your gameplay? Okay, that is bug. That's not a bug. This is a feature. Yes, it is a feature. And that's our future. I think it's okay. But I really wonder, why is it? I wonder. I mean, this looks like... Oh, I cannot show you because it's on my phone. Can we see the code? You might not want to look at the code. What? Is that what you say after watching 100 hours of making this? It looks like when I press this and then press this fast enough, it looks like it's moving to here and then here. Why? I have no idea. And another problem that I have is it's all with the twins, huh? I have no idea how to use the twin properly. So they don't work. And the reason, I have no idea. This doesn't work when it is for the first time. I need some debug message, huh? Which code that not working? I mean those one with the... Where is it? Here. I mean with the... I think something is wrong with the twins. I have no idea. I mean, something is interrupting. Yeah, and I wonder why this doesn't work for the first time. I think I need to check it with Android Studio that I cannot do at the moment. Okay. Yeah, I cannot run my Android Studio because my only cable is occupied with my iPad. Okay. So so I only made the thumbnail, didn't fix any problem. So can I just claim that everything is perfect by now? Or is it a bad idea? Didn't I make a new build? I did. Damn, it's hard to debug if only see the code partially. Yes. That's almost impossible. Hmm? Nobody gave me any permission on call it finished. It's okay. Thank you. I made a... Oh. I thought I built it one last time. Yeah, but I think I need to at least find out why the Google Admon is not called. I think all of those are quite complicated with without Android Studio or something. Have you checked the Unity Muse? Yes, I did. was quite fun. I think you can find the archive for the trying out the Unity Muse. But it was quite fun because it was advertising Unity all the time. And then I was bragging about all the Unity goods I have. It looks fine. All those Unity goods I have. And then he said like, oh, you must be very enthusiastic about it. So whenever you use your Unity mug and then when you drink a coffee, and you must be thinking about what was that, like Unity Analytics, which can provide the information about like your games and data and what is the bottleneck for your game. And whenever you are you're wearing your Unity socks, you would think about Unity can build into the different targets, and so that was super fun. And then I was thinking about making short video about that, and then that took, yeah, that has been like 2 months, right? But that's obviously one of the videos that I want to make right at the moment. And Unity mug can track how many you sip it. What? Yeah, like whenever I drink the coffee with the Unity mug, like when I looking at the Unity logo, I just like I should just think about like how amazing they are with Unity, and that was what Unity Muse basically said. I like that. That was funny. That was a little bit too much. That was why I liked it. Whatever. I think everything is okay. Can I add everything into Awake and then wish everything is magically fixed? I shouldn't, huh? I think there's some kind of problem with on-enable. So I guess something is not set properly. Because of the timing issue or something? But I don't see any potential problems. Can I just do the silly way? Oh, what game you making? I'm making those hyper-casual game. Hyper-casual board sort game. It's a tiny puzzle game. If you like those kind of puzzle games, there is chance that you already saw like the commercials, the ads of the same type 1,000 times. I I don't know. Can I do the silly way? Can I activate it at the very beginning and then... Can I activate it and then turn it off when it is instantiated? If I turn off at the awake, the unenable is being called? I have no idea. Everything is getting messier. So basically a mobile test game. Anything else after? I have no idea. I was thinking of making some Suika game, the watermelon game. Yeah, you should activate it right away and hiding it off. Yeah, I mean, I don't think that's a great way to do, but I wonder. It is not cold. I'm pretty much sure there is some reason because it is okay. Not really my cup of tea. Thanks for answering though. You're welcome. At some point, I wanted to be creative, and then I realized creativity doesn't guarantee that the game is fun. Okay, let's try with the build. Instantiate could be expensive if the hierarchy complex enough. I mean, I didn't instantiate it, I just have it. But deactivate it. But, and then it's okay on, it's okay on PC. But it is not okay when I build it and test it on my phone. Yeah, but I think it should solve the problem. I don't know what the problem means. I want to understand what the problem is. But I have a feeling that this will be okay by now. I mean, that's only a feeling. So I need to test. Whatever. Enabling, disabling also included because it's kind of expensive part. Then what would be the best way? Well, at least something works better than before. And the icon is somehow cropped. I think that's okay. No, it actually doesn't. Okay, it didn't change anything. Okay, we're gonna try that with Android Studio. Just hide it as use canvas group or put it on the side. Yeah. I was thinking like, then I cannot use on enable. So I need, yeah, then I realized with some function, instead of activating it, I can just say like, do this and that. I don't know. But I really wonder, why is it happening? I also want to check with the different device. Is it only my device? I mean, but it should work on my device as well, so... But I wonder. Okay. I will debug it with the Android Studio. So, which means not now. Okay, so I think I can... I mean, I didn't do anything. I didn't fix any problem. But I think I can call it... I can call it done. What do you think? Not agreed? Okay. I will call it done anyway. Yes. Where's my room? Here. Hello. It's fine. Thank you. Thank you for saying this is fine. Can I be a little bit bigger? Maybe too big? Ah? なんかこうまんでも Yeah, so, I think I still have few tasks to work on. Question mark? What question mark? What? Yeah, I think it is like after 7 months of work, I think I can call it finished. Well, not really finished, but there are some tasks that I have to work on by myself, maybe not on the stream. So I think in that aspect that I can call it finished. Isn't that? At least there will be no stream with the no further streaming. I mean, if there will be something like refactoring or anything else, I think I can I can work on it later with the same game. But otherwise, I think it could be considered finished. Don't you agree? Is that I'm the only one who think that? Maybe. Always possible. Yeah, so it has been like 7 months. It has been, I'm just trying to recall all my memory because yeah, it's like sometime before I die. So I think it's better to just turn this on. As long as you can play from the start to finish, it's fine. That one, I think it's possible. Hello, welcome. I was about to call it finished and then everybody was questioning about that. Yeah. What's up? I'm good. Trying to finish this game. I would call it finished because because there's nothing more I can do during the streaming. I need this cable. For when is the game releasing? I don't know. Soon. What are you doing for the party? I don't know. Recalling all the memories. Mono's food from the last stream is still there. Oh. Oh, I still have my egg now. I would eat. I ate them all as my breakfast. Like yum nom 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 nom, and then poof. I'm so excited for it, to be honest, but tell me if it contains ads or not. It contains ads. The bad news is it contains ads, and the good news maybe is it is not working. So I need to debug. Yeah, I would ask for the release on the Google Play Store as far as it's like some parts are done. At least when those ads are visible in my device. And I should debug with the Android Studio. And therefore I need a cable which is occupied with my lovely Siri. So I don't think that there is anything that I can do during the stream. So for the stream, it is over. Brew, I was saying, finally I will play the glass game without ads. Maybe I can secretly give the ad-free version. Yeah, so it has been 7 months since I started. Let's see. So I started on 2023 April 3rd. That was when I started, and the concept was that I want to be a millionaire with the help of the ChatGPT. If ChatGPT is smart enough to do all the programming part instead of me. So that was the first concept. And then so I was trying to use ChatGPT for 3 sessions, and afterwards I realized that ChatGPT wasn't that smart. Big goals. Dream big. I didn't like the answers from ChatGPT because it was quite sometimes unintuitive. Sometimes it just couldn't achieve my goals. For instance, I wanted to have like all those 2D assets and then work in 2D. Now I need to support you though. Thank you. Generic ChatGPT, huh? I feel like I should understand everything a little bit better. I sometimes feel like I just don't understand. Then I realized I didn't like the result of ChatGPT. Because sometimes it just like mixed all those 2Ds and 3Ds, and then at some point I thought like, okay, I will gonna write the code. I will not gonna let you write my code because everything is getting more and more complicated with you. I mean, before that, I was doing the game stream mainly. ChatGPT is an expert bullshitter and gaslighter. I think it's like quite useful to get some ideas or like basic things, but it couldn't really finish my code or something. So then I never did the game stream except like one time. One time I did the truck driving, and then like few time I was talking about random things. I explored Godot and Unreal. Other than that, I was continuing making this game. So it has been like 3-4 hours per week. So that's quite short amount of time because I was mainly quite often talking all the random things, and I realized I learned if I only work on a project only 1 to 2 hours per day, I cannot really do anything because next time I forgot everything what I was doing. And then if I still have some kind of problem, I don't really finish fixing it, and then I just like forget what kind of problems I had. So that was complicated. Need good comments. But it's more like also, I forget about the code, but I also forget about what I was working on, like the problems that I have to fix and so on. Unless I wrote it down. But yeah, so at the very beginning, I thought like maybe I can finish these types of game for like 3 days, and then that never happened. It took 7 months, almost 8 months, if I include the time until the release. I mean, until the time that it is proved in it passes the Google Play Store, and if it's like properly released, because I also have no idea how to set up everything for the Google Play Store and so on. I have to do that, but by myself, I guess. And if the app gets rejected, then work again. What can I do? But yeah, it was a fun journey, even though my code is quite messy, because at some point I wanted to also refactor a little bit. But then But then with those like 1 to 2 hours, I never really finished refactoring, and then like, okay, let's just make everything work. But refactoring could be also interesting. If it's work, it's work. That's also true. Yeah, the thing is that I was thinking about that maybe too much, and then some parts could be better. And what did I want to say? I forgot. I wanted to say something. I don't remember. Yeah, but it was fun. I never used Google AdMob and those kind of ad system before. And I think there are quite a lot of things that I learned. I actually wanted to do this. And then I didn't want to. Yep. I didn't want to show my subscription, and then I just think it's all okay. It's like all my VTuber friend and a duck and some few ducks and some Butler's Cafe. So exposed. Yeah, Limina, Wiki-san, Seductive, another Duck Cube, Butler's Cafe, and 2 more VTuber. Yeah, so I was doing the game stream. Until that time, I was playing some games. And then I suddenly started. I mean, I had some other random... Do I really talking about the code here? Okay, I have no idea. And I did some Ludum Dare related stream. There is another game making stream for the it has been a year. Wow. For the game jam. And I just hide it because that was one of the long stream. Yeah, so from here I started with ChatGPT, and then I just like ditched ChatGPT, and then you can see my laziness. I never changed thumbnail. I never worked on it, even it doesn't have the name or anything. I was just like, okay, time, streaming. Okay, reuse all the settings. Those times. And then it's always same. I have no idea. So from the 4th session to the 34th session, it has the same thumbnail. Yeah, and then I added this number because I thought like, okay, why not distinguish? That's how you know it's the same series. But but you never remember which session you watched or something. unless the YouTube remembers for you. Oh, that was some SQL thing. And then I started to add some numbers, and then I just like reuse what? Oh, 37.5. Okay, that's why I reused it. What is 0.5? Yeah, at that point I was like working a little bit, huh? That was what I was working on the last session, and then got lazy again, and then lazy, and then I thought like maybe there are too many letters, too many information on my thumbnail, and then I just got rid of those letters. It was live stream, and then it got live, and then like yes, final, probably final, who knows. But then I would build it. I probably need to do the last minute check because the ad is not visible. That's a big problem. So I need to check why that is happening. But other than that, I would ask the App Store for releasing my app, even though I know nothing. Maybe there are a bunch of things that I need to do to release on the Play Store. I never really did any research. Today I was only looking for the thumbnail size, and I'm pretty much sure I also need some like screenshots and so on. So I need to fill that part, but I'll do that by myself, I guess. Oh, I think it will be the last stream for making this game. I mean, not the last, maybe for refactoring or something like that if I want to do something additional. That was a long long journey, and I'm trying to think about some kind of memories. Refactoring ORZ. Maybe I can live it like that, who knows. I'm trying to think of some kind of like funny memories that I have for making this game, and then I cannot think of any. Just make another game. Yes, I will, but not right now, I guess. So let's see what I wrote in the community. Reveal the key visual on Saturday, and on Monday maybe something. I don't know what maybe something is. Yeah, so I guess it was a fun journey. I cannot record anything. Has been too long to have any kind of memory. But yeah, I started to make those types of game because I like personally those types of game. It was also quite fun to work on it, even though it didn't have like really marketing feature or like anything cool or fancy. Oh, I remember. At the very beginning, I thought like maybe I can make this types of game because it would not take that long. And then I also want to make some kind of match 3 or a merge game. I remember finally. And then in the meanwhile, bunch of interesting things happened in my life. So basically, making those types of game wasn't the main focus of my life for like really long time. Yeah, I remember that kind of things happened. Okay, that's interesting. But anyway, I learned really a lot while making this game because I barely work on the 2D assets or features of Unity. 2D interactional, that kind of thing. Yeah, that was quite interesting, and I also learned about the Google Ads mob and so on. So I think this app wouldn't make me a millionaire, but I think I learned a little, learned quite a lot, and it was good enough. Yeah, it was good enough to achieve my goal, whatever that is. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, I think that's the biggest good thing. It was fun. It was fun all the time. I mean, there were some kind of tired session that I was like super tired, and then they're like, hey, I don't know what I'm doing. And that's the main problem of this project. I was like, I have no idea what I'm doing. And then those types of code, because I had no idea what I was doing, it's quite difficult to understand. Yeah, it's super difficult. Difficult to understand what I was thinking about at that point, and then most likely, I didn't think about anything. Maybe the only thing I thought was, can I go to bed now? As long as you're enjoying it, that's good. Yes, I enjoyed it. Yeah. I mean, it wasn't like that kind of like very creative types of game. So maybe I can make a simple game only for the tutorial, or make some kind of creative game. But I cannot think of any. I had a few ideas. And one is that you have some kind of like a big plane, and then an object drops from the top, and then you have to balance. So there is some kind of time limit, let's say 5 seconds, and then let's say 3 cube will drop during those time, and then you have to balance for 5 seconds, and then you can clear the stage and then move on to the next stage. That kind of game. That was what is written on my diary, which I bought it a few years ago, and then I never really write anything into it. So I'm reusing it for like several years. Hyper casual game? I think it would be. That would be also hyper casual. Because it sounds fun. Does it? Maybe I should try on it then. But I was also thinking about making a Sika game. The watermelon game. But not for release, only for the tutorial or some kind of Unity learner. And then I need to make tutorials about what I made. Okay, steady and slow, and let's win this race. So, reverse engineering games? Yeah. I mean, this is also kind of reverse engineering as well, right? I mean, this one. I had the finished version in the market. I just like copied everything. Making tutorial made your understanding deeper, I guess. But the thing is that if I want to make a tutorial, it would be super long, right? So it would be like at least few hours for making a simple game or something. And then I'm pretty much sure it would be not that complicated to make tutorials compared to make some kind of different types of fancy videos. But then my brain is just overwhelmed, and then I have to start it properly. I have to finish it. That's why I was not really brave enough to start it. But I definitely would do that. So now I have some sources, some projects, and I can make some tutorials about that. And I think I should be a little bit more serious about making tutorials. Yeah. So I guess that's it. Is there anything that you want to say? I mean, I was also a little bit scared of doing the live coding in front of everybody. Because I always felt like, okay, my code is such a mess. And I think it was a little bit better for the game jam because at that point I was using my brain, but I just got used to it. I wouldn't say that my code got better or I think clearly or something, but I was like sleeping half of the entire session and I just got used to it. I guess that's important. But yeah, anyway, I finished the project. Not really finished, but I would call it finished. And then after I submit the app onto the Google Play Store, I would write Samir or tell it, and another stream. Yes. And I think that was my 7 months of journey. That's after party. Just like you can have your own snacks, drink, music, and dance a little bit, or like I don't know, do some kind of like dancing, coding, and like yeah. I mean, if you are super excited about your life, you just like code. Yeah. Yes, so it was fun. And yeah, I think also in the meanwhile I got quite many subscribers. Let's see, let's dig it up. So 9 months ago I had 200 followers. 5 months ago, I had 300 followers. Dance! Yes, let's dance! So I started this project 7 months or something ago. So I guess I had something like 220 subscribers or something. And now I have 521 right at the moment. And the funny thing is sometimes after the stream, sometimes there are like many more subscribers. I don't know how the algorithm works, but sometimes like I just do the stream and then during the stream it is quite difficult to check how many people are watching it or something. And then afterwards when I check it and then I feel like sometimes I just get like more subscribers during the stream. That was also quite interesting. Now you have double the amount. Yay! Yes. When I made the snake game for the Ludum Dare for the game jam on last December, it has been even an year. Wow, time is so fast. When I made that, I had 180 followers. I remember because in that game I collected 180 followers and then I just said like, okay, you guys are quite a lot, and then now I cannot collect that amount anymore because the maximum amount of subscribers that you can get in that game is 330 or something, because it has like limited amount of grade space and then you cannot have any more. Yes, so it was fun. It was fun and happy and everything was cool. So that will be the last session for making this hyper-casual game. And then I'll come back with something else. I have no idea what. But I don't think I will gonna do any programming for this month. I should think about the next month's plan, but it's also possible that nothing much would happen for December as well, because I will also have some Christmas vacation. Before that, there will be finally a key visual releasement. Let's see, where is my key visual? Is this one? On Saturday. I don't have my screen. Whatever. I have different silhouette, but I don't have it in... Can I find it? So finally, I will release this silhouette, my key visual. I got it like 2 months ago. I really wanted to show it to everybody because it's so cute. And then I was quite busy. For October, yes, I have my screens. I was quite busy for October, so I didn't I didn't have time to release this. I didn't have time to show it. Damn. Yeah, it's some key visual artwork done by my mama Satozaka sensei. And I wanted to show it as soon as possible. And then I was busy. I got busy. So I will finally show it on this Saturday. I'm also working on making different assets to make my stream a little bit more beautiful, but I don't have really fixed plan for that. So I will have like some new screens, but I cannot guarantee that I will have like this and that and that. Yeah, I want to change everything, but maybe I wouldn't have time for that. So let's see. I will see. I also wanted to show the acrylic stand with that key visual, but I cannot find the file. I will show it on Saturday. So on Saturday, this will be released. So this isn't really a programming thing, but it's like a VTuber thing. But if you're interested in, if you're curious about how it would look like, even though I did some little bit of spoiler by accident a little bit yesterday. Yeah, if you're curious about, then please drop by on Saturday. And thank you for joining the entire journey of making this game. It's like making a game isn't an easy process, I realize. But it was fun. Thumbs up, yay! It was fun, and I'm really curious about what would happen if I don't advertise at all, and if I do some kind of advertise, would the values and everything would change a little bit, or like how much does it cost for those marketing and so on. I'm also curious about that part. So if there's any update with that, I would also maybe deliver during the stream or make a video about that. Yes. So it has been, I finished it before the 50 session. Yes, I finally finished it. I need to take a rest a little bit. I mean, I need to submit the app first. But other than that, I would take some rest. I think so. I feel like I need more rest. Yay! Yay! So, did you enjoy your party? I hope you have drinks and snacks and yeah. Yes. And since it is getting late, I mean, I didn't prepare much for the after party. I just like holy party. Best party ever. That's good to hear. Thank you. Best party ever. Yay. There's tea on the table. Yes. Everybody needs their tea for relaxation. Celebration! Yay! Party? What party? I'm still calling. Party is like a status coming from your mind. So like, if you want to celebrate something, even if that's a nothing or considered as nothing in the social norm, that could be also called party, I guess. So I would call it party because I'm happy. Yeah, so thank you for, I think it is getting quite late. So I would call it a day for the last session. That was also fun for today, even though I couldn't fix any problem. I would. Because future Manu would solve all the problems. Yeah, so thank you for coming. I would call it a day. Thank you for coming. Thank you for writing the chats. Thank you for enjoying. Thank you for joining the entire journey of making this stream. I'm pretty much sure if I didn't stream or if you guys weren't on the chat and just looking at or sometimes talk to me and so on, taught me a bunch of new things that I never had the concept. I'm pretty much sure I couldn't be possible to make it this far because like I always like to start something and then I just like never finish anything and then just throw it away and then forget about that. No, I think finishing something is also quite achievement in my personal opinion. But that was fun. So yeah, I'm pretty much sure it could have been really difficult if I didn't do it on the stream, if nobody watched it. So thank you everybody for being here, for hanging around with me. And I will see you on the next stream. And for the next game making, game development, or any other kind of Unity project, I'm not gonna teach Unity unless I change my name. And I wish you to have a good morning, noon, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are. Thanks for the stream. It's been a great journey. Thank you for joining the entire journey. Heart. Yes, heart bag. Yes. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for coming and writing the chat and joining all those journey. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. See you on Saturday on making show off for the key visual. Bye bye. See ya. Thank you for coming. See you next time. Bye bye. 07. Yes. Thank you. See ya. See ya. See you next time. Oh, no, not you, Siri, again. I turned it off. I could turn it off. I didn't know that. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye, Siri. Yeah, I was gonna tell her. And see ya, Sarah, too. I will tell her.